This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to turn this into that, make a wow DIY from the Dollar Tree, all for under $5. All you need are some of the crates and a couple other large arrows to make this adorable craft. But first, smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. When we get 20 more subscribers, we're going to issue out 1 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree. The rules are, if you're new, comment down below. You must be subscribed and a U.S. resident. If you comment all the time, you must be subscribed and a U.S. resident. If you won in the past 60 days, you are not qualified. Let's get crafting. Angel, that is from a garage sale. The ballerina, the candle holder, the candle snuffer, the candle itself, the lighter I used to light the candle, the vase, and the lilac. $4 to make the table. Perfect for a corner of your home or your patio or deck. Video will premiere at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Please go over to my YouTube channel and view it, like it, subscribe, and share it to social media. Always practice safety around a candle. And don't leave lit candles unattended. Another awesome turn this into that video. Come craft with me. And these are the items you're going to need to make this awesome craft idea that I found on Pinterest. 2 arrows and 3 crates. And then supplies are going to be paint, any color you want, paintbrushes, glue sticks, a pair of scissors to remove the tags, and a glue gun which I'm heating up. We're going to start by removing the string and the sticker from each arrow. We're going to start by removing the string and the stickers from each arrow, and if there's any kind of tags on the crate. Sometimes they peel right off, and other times you got to soak them a little. And that time it comes off. And go through each item and remove all the labels from the product here. Sometimes they can be a little tricky. Looks like the glue is just, I'm not sure what they use. I'll have to use scissors to remove the string, the little jute twine. I'm going to go ahead and snip it. I'm not going to worry about it being stuck on there because this is going to be the back side that's going to face the wall. I have all of the stickers and the jute twine off of the arrows. These were a little more tricky to get the stickers off. As you saw, the stickers peeled right off of the crates. First thing we're going to do is we're going to assemble what I'm making. Usually I paint first, but I'm going to assemble it, and then I'm going to paint it, and then I'm going to let it dry. I have the glue gun all heated. I'm going to make like a miniature bookcase here, and we're going to hot glue crates together. Front and bottom. And you're going to glue it on. Make sure you squeeze it together so it stabilizes. If you have binder clips, you can bind the crates together for better security and stability. I'm going to glue the final piece on for the crate. I love my Gorilla Glue gun. I do have a Dollar Tree one that I use once in a while. Again, squeeze it as hard as you can without breaking it. And this is what it's going to look like. They're going to be glued together, almost like a drawer. Making sure that they're even. Now the arrow, I'm not worried about the piece of rope there. It's going to go on either side, like this. Going to go ahead and glue. The top is a little uneven, but I'm not really worried about it. It'll be fine. And then you're going to glue the arrow. And place it on. And you got to make sure both arrows are even so it will stand up. Went ahead and glued both of them. I want to make sure that they're going to be lined up. Applying pressure with the arrow to the crates so it will stand up like this and look like a little hutch. Now we're going to paint it. Making sure you can see what I'm doing. We're done with the glue gun, so unplug it. I unplugged mine. I'm going to start painting this piece we made, a little shadow box. I'm going to put mine in my kitchen. I can't hang a lot on my walls because it's some kind of weird plastic wall that they put over another wall. And you have to use command hooks. Nails won't go on unless you get some kind of tool to screw them in. So I just use command hooks on the walls. I'm going to paint this front, back, and inside the crates. I thought brown would be nice. This would be a great Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day is around the corner and expensive if you already have paint and paintbrushes on hand and just need the crates and the arrows. When I saw this idea on Pinterest, I thought they were genius. I'm going to paint the arrow with you and then the back side. Look at how nice it looks brown. If you find anything foreign, trim it. Don't worry about the paint getting on the furniture because it comes right off. I'm going to continue painting and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And it's nice quick drying paint from the Dollar Tree. Here's what the little shadow box looks like. It is super cute, and I painted it brown. I really like it a lot. It's going to go in my kitchen when it's completely dry. It's going to house my tea bags, and I will show you later on in a photo of what it looks like. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and crafting with me today. If you're new, thank you for finding me. I hope this will make you want to subscribe to my channel. If so, welcome aboard. A great DIY craft from the Dollar Tree under $5. It's going to house my tea bags in my kitchen, so I am more out to drink tea. I don't drink as much as I used to, but I want to start drinking it again, especially in the springtime or even in the evenings in the summer. As we approach fall, I like a nice cup of tea. Before we go, did you smash on that subscribe word? Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. I just scrubbed down my counter, and my little shelf is done and dried, and it's really cute. I'm going to put my tea bags on here. We have mint tea, ginger, breakfast tea, a few other flavors. I'm not sure all of them. I had lemon tea, but my husband drank it all. And that is what it looks like.